You have to remove the old rust first, sand it down, then we apply this primer. It's tedious, but necessary. I've always dreamed of converting a bus into a home. It's a lot of work, but every nail gets me closer to that dream. All right, just got to match these up. Don't want to short. Perfect fit. Now where's that screwdriver? There we go. That's snug, good as new. All right, time to clear out this mess. The build starts now.
The silence in here is just as loud as the world outside. I need to find something to break it.
All right, these slides should fit right in here. Just got to line them up, that's it. Now to push this in, make sure it's secure. The last major piece, the sink. It's not just about fitting it, it's about making this place feel like home. All right, just got to tighten this connection here. Make sure it's secure. Good, now let's test the fitting. Perfect. All right, finally got this storage bench installed. What do you think of this setup? The wood cabinets turned out great. Ensure the finish is applied evenly, using long, steady strokes to bring out the natural grain of the wood. Take your time for a perfect seal. Welcome to our converted school bus home. This is the kitchen here on the left, perfect for cooking on the road, and the dining area on the right, where we share meals and enjoy the views. All right, the shower unit is in place. Now just to mark the final position for the framing. All right, just got to make sure this fits snugly. A little push here and we're good to go. Another project done. All right, time to secure this cross beam. Getting the frame level is crucial for the bed base. All right, finally got the mattress centered. Now to smooth out the bedding. It's really coming together in here. I've got the black sconce in position now. Just connecting these wires is the trickiest part. Make sure the polarity is right and it should light up. I never thought I could feel so much at home on the open road. It's the simple things that make it perfect. All right, this rug is gonna really tie the whole bus together. A perfect fit. Welcome to my home on wheels. Here we have the kitchen, and over here is the bedroom. It's a cozy and practical space, perfect for life on the road. Almost there. Soon we can go. Just need to make sure everything's right. The time is coming.
The license plate was loose. Better secure it now before we hit the road again.
The sun's setting. Time to put this baby to bed. All right, just one more adjustment. Whoa. Finally, got it. I never thought I'd be back on this road. Everything's different now. It feels like it just happened yesterday.
The journey was long, but as the sun sets over the golden plains, we finally find our way home.
Another season begins. The bus, it's always ready. We just have to be. I checked the sign myself, it's secure. Let's get moving. Set. I needed a sign to leave, and that old bus sitting there in the dying light was it. Welcome, it's great to see you. Come on in, it's getting a little chilly out here.
Welcome to our home on wheels, a quiet sanctuary where every sunset is a masterpiece.
The days started to run together. The road was my home, and the sunset was my only constant companion. Just me and the engine. The last rays of sun, it's time to get going. This old beast never fails to start. You know, some days I think I made a mistake coming out here, but then I see a sunset like this, and I remember exactly why.
The journey continued, mile after peaceful mile, beneath the golden light of the setting sun. The road home was always longer at this time of year, with the sun low in the sky, a golden fair,